So friends, if you are using Zen Lyfe application, which is new application of Bank of Maharashtra, and you don't remember your login pin or MPIN, then no need to worry, because in this video, I'm going to tell you how can you easily reset your MPIN for Zen Lyfe application. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now see, it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. So first of all, open Zen Lyfe application. It will ask you to enter MPIN, which we don't remember. So in that case, you have to select forgot MPIN option. Select that option and go to the next page. Now this is the verification page. Over here, you get three options. One is you can use debit card like this. So I have debit card over here. You can see, if you have debit card, you can use debit card details to reset your MPIN. If you don't have debit card, you can just simply go to branch. You can take a token from them. You enter the token over here, and using the token, you can change the MPIN. Next is internet banking. So if you have internet banking details, you have to enter the details over here, and then you have to select continue option. But in this video, I'm going to use debit card details. So enter the card number over here, enter the ATM pin over here, and then select continue option in order to reset your MPIN. Now I have entered the card details over here. Let's select continue option. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. So enter the OTP and go ahead. Now you can see, once you enter the OTP, it will take you to set MPIN page, and over here you need to enter your new MPIN. You have to re-enter the new MPIN and then select continue option. Also make sure that the MPIN should be 4-digit number only, and it should not be a sequential number like 1234 or 0000 or 4321. Don't use simple numbers. Okay, so let's enter the new MPIN and go ahead. I have entered the new MPIN. Let's tap on continue option, and now you can see your MPIN has been successfully set. Tap on OK, go to the login page, enter your new MPIN over here, and now you can see the login is successful. So this is how simple it is to reset MPIN for Zen Lyfe application, which is new application of Bank of Maharashtra. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.